Learn a country a day, Myanmar. Did you know? Myanmar, dating kilala bilang Burma, ay isang bansa sa Southeast Asia na puno ng tradisyon at makukulay na kultura. Ang capital nito ay Naypyidaw, pero ang pinakakilala nilang syudad ay Yangon, kung saan matatagpuan ang napakagandang Shwedagon Pagoda, isang gintong templo na higit 2,500 years old. Pero hindi lang yan. Myanmar is also world famous for its hot air balloons over Bagan. Imagine hundreds of balloons floating above ancient temples at sunrise. Para kang nasa ibang mundo. Bukod pa dito, Myanmar is loved for its tea culture, traditional Longi attire, at ang kakaibang Tanaka paste na ginagamit sa mukha bilang natural sunblock at pampaganda. Lesson? Every country has a story. At sa Myanmar, it's a story of faith, beauty, and skies filled with balloons.